Today we will start new chapter for standard 10th, subject Science and Technology, part 1, unit number 5, heat. Today's my first point is latent heat, second point melting point, third point latent heat of fusion, fourth point boiling point, and last point is the latent heat of vaporization. Chapter number 5, heat. In this chapter, main points are latent heat, regulation, anomalous behavior of water, dew point and humidity, specific heat capacity. In the previous standard, we have learned about heat and different types of heat transfer. We have also performed few experiments related to the expansion and contraction of the solids, liquids and gases. We have learned about the difference between heat and temperature. We have also seen how temperature is measured using a thermometer. Concepts like latent heat of phase transformation, anomalous behavior of water, dew point, humidity, specific heat capacity, etc. are related to certain phenomenon experienced by us in our day-to-day life. Let us learn more about this concept. Latent heat. Try this. For this experiment, we use thermometer, stand, ice piece or cube, burner, stand. First activity, take a few pieces of ice in a glass beaker as shown in the figure 5.1. Second, insert the bulb of thermometer in the ice and measure its temperature. Here is the bulb of thermometer is inserted into the ice. Third, put the beaker on a stand and heat the ice using burner. Fourth, record temperature using the thermometer after every minute. Fifth, as the ice is heated, it starts melting. Stir the mixture of ice and water. Sixth, continue the heating even after ice starts melting. Last time, seventh, draw graph of temperature versus time. You will observe that the temperature of the mixture remains 0 degrees Celsius till the ice melts completely. If we continue heating, even after conversion of all ice into water, the temperature of the water starts rising and it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, water starts converting into steam. The temperature of the water remains constant at the 100 degrees Celsius till all water converts into steam. The graph of temperature versus time is shown in the figure 5.2. Here is the graph. In this graph, the line AB represents conversion of ice into water at a constant temperature. When ice is heated, it melts at 0 degrees Celsius and converts into water. At this constant temperature, the ice absorbs heat energy during this transition, and absorption of energy continues till all the ice converts into water. The temperature remains constant during this transition. Constant temperature at which the ice converts into water is called melting point of the ice. Thus, during transition of solid phase to liquid, the object absorbs heat energy, but its temperature does not increase. That heat energy is utilized for weakening the bonds between atom or molecules in the solid and transformation it into the liquid phase. The heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature during transformation of the solid into liquid is called latent heat of fusion. The amount of heat energy absorbed at constant temperature by unit mass of a solid to convert into liquid phase is called specific latent heat of fusion. Once all the ice is transformed into water, the temperature of water starts rising. It increases up to 100 degrees Celsius. Line BC in the graph represent rise in temperature of water from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius. Thereafter, even though heat energy is supplied to water, its temperature does not rise. The heat energy is absorbed by water at this temperature and used to break bonds between the molecules of the liquid and converts the liquid into gaseous state. Thus, during the transformation from liquid phase to gas phase, heat energy is absorbed by the liquid, but its temperature does not change. The constant temperature at which the liquid transforms into the gaseous state is called boiling point. The heat energy absorbed a constant temperature during transformation liquid into gas called the latent heat of the vaporization. The amount of heat energy absorbed at a constant temperature by unit mass of liquid to convert into gaseous phase is called the specific heat of vaporization. Different substances have different melting points and boiling points. The value of melting point, boiling point, and latent heat depends on atmospheric pressure. Observe this chart. Here is the substance, melting point, boiling point, specific latent heat of fusion, specific latent heat of vaporization. First example, water oblique ice. Melting point of the ice is 0 degree Celsius, boiling point of ice is 100 degree Celsius, specific latent heat of fusion 333 kilojoule per kilogram, 80 calorie per gram. Specific latent heat of vaporization of water is 2256 kilojoule per kilogram, 540 calorie per gram. Another example, gold. Melting point of the gold is 1063 degrees Celsius. Boiling point of the gold is 2700 degrees Celsius. Specific latent heat of the gold is 144 kilojoule per kilogram, 153 calorie per gram. Specific latent heat of the vaporization of the gold is 1580 kilojoule per kilogram, 392 calorie per gram. Write this chart in your notebook and read it loudly.